Okay, in this video, Karen will demonstrate how to make a reservation and check-in using the hotel kiosk. Karen has chosen a room, fill up the details, and on the top right hand side is the hotel PMS. Right after Karen confirms her details, the reservation will be pushed to the hotel PMS. The kiosk will ask for the IC, my card or passport. And for payment, the kiosk support debit card, credit card, e-wallet and cash. So for every payment collected, the payment will be recorded automatically to the guest folio within the PMS. So our kiosk collects cash or banknotes as the security deposits, and will likewise also it will record to the PMS. So Karen has just completed her check-in. The kiosk has issued her the room key, and as you can see on the top right hand side, the room is marked occupied. Okay, that's Karen again. She's back and now she is trying to check out her room. So the kiosk will ask for the room number and verify her details, and on the top right hand side you can see that the PMS identified the room as occupied, but right after the checkout it will be marked as dirty. So the kiosk return the cash for refund the security deposits, and as you can see the room is marked dirty and we have notified the housekeeper. Thanks for watching this video.